All right, well, unlike normal people that go to probably the lumber store, this is my lumber store. I like to get this thing started so it can warm up good. A little bit of a hassle to do that. Like most people in the North Country, this machine is a little cold-blooded. And it doesn't just start the way it probably should. Because engines are designed to work in California only. And you just put a little bit of gas down in here. That's called a carburetor. And then it'll just start and it will run a lot better in the beginning. And then once it's warmed up, then I can put it all back together and it will run the way it's supposed to. It took a while. Still a little cold-blooded, but you just run it like this. I used to have to start my 1986 Camaro the same exact way. As you know, we're coming up on day 30 here of the furlough, so I've been trying to look for things to do, things to clean, things that don't cost money, I should say. And this was a good job to get done. I had everything I needed, and it also just gives Sarah a good place to store apples, because we do want to get into that sort of thing.
Waiting on to face true alive. Winding through your mind. Moment, space,
Just a rough try to see if Sarah likes the size of it.
and you wonder
I'll use it if I can. If it's strong enough. Let's go see. Mommy liked the design. So now I can put them together here.
and you wonder how we even made it this far. Do you remember?
That in?
Yeah. You think you're too close?
Yeah.
I love it. I love every single one of those little hairs.
Will you remember? Remember this time?
Pretty good start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna call that 8. It's never gonna come off. Never.
Oh my goodness.
Sucks too. Because
It's cool.
yeah, it is cool, but cool and doesn't fit. There's quite a few on there if you're. Oh yeah, it's just like inch. Oh man, like I can get it past, but you wouldn't wanna fight it like that. I think we want to get this to fit, because one of the issues would be I could just build different shelves in there completely and just use this like here. It doesn't have to go in there, but I like it. I think it serves a pretty good purpose. So,
How we made it this far. As we look through seasons that come and go. And you
when there's some weight in the boxes, they won't move so easy. This bag right here, full of apples. Oh, it smells so good. You get 3 of them, 3 of these full for $10. 10. The final part of these boxes was to make some lids that were mouse proof, and we decided to use the lath that was upstairs in the barn that we've had for 8 years. Okay, so let's think of shut, you think? Sarah and I are getting pretty big on food storage. I think we're going to be growing even more next year in the garden, and we're going to go even harder on this stuff. We like to control what we consume, and this is a really good way that we can do it. And I feel like we're finally getting to a point where we can start thinking about this and concentrating on this, and I think that's pretty exciting. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you all next time I turn the camera on.